Hello again, it's Lo with those quick dish soul foods. Here are my seasonings. Today's menu is ribs. I'm boiling them first, season them down with onions and all of my seasoning. Then they're gonna go into the oven to dry up. Here we have the cabbage steaming. I've seasoned them down, and some home-style buttery mashed potatoes. Let's go. So the ribs are in. I'm waiting until they get a little ball on, then I'm gonna cover them up. After they come out tender and done, we're gonna put them in the oven. And we will continue to cook our cabbage. Look at the ribs, they're picking up a little steam, and I guess you can tell by now this is my favorite cooking pot. It is so nice and tender. When you steam things down in there and slow cook it, they come out so tender in this little pot. Not giving it away for nothing. Let's check on the cabbage. Oh, that cabbage is done. I'm gonna add some more seasoning to it and cut it off. These ribs are coming along just fine. Look at them, they're boiling down. I want them to get nice and tender so they can be like an hour and a half in the oven on about 375 or 400. We'll see when we go. Looking scrumptious, smelling scrumptious. I put some green onions up in there as well as garlic. So I placed the ribs in the tray. I used the adobo. A little onion powder. The blackened seasoning. And sprinkle a little garlic powder on it. I'm gonna put some of this nice old juice down over it. And I'm gonna put them in the oven to dry them out. Sometimes I use a mixture of Baby Ray and my concoction. I add to it, but most of the time I just like dry, tender ribs. So we're gonna put these in the oven. So we're heating the water for our buttery home-style mashed potato. Calls for 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, add the potatoes in and let stand for 1 minute. Stir and enjoy. We're gonna let this water come to a boil, and then we're gonna proceed with making our potatoes. Our ribs are in the oven. Our water is coming to a boil. I'm gonna add some seasoning to complete. A little sea salt. A little adobo. It has salt in it. Let's see. Yes, a lot of salt, but it's good for vegetables and meats. A little pepper. And some garlic. That's the oven letting me know that it has reached its temperature. And I even gonna add some of this juice from the ribs to give it some flavor. Just a little bit. So these are instant potatoes, and they don't have any flavor. You got to add your flavor. Plus, I'm gonna put some butter in there. Put some butter in here as well. Butter. Country crock. Let these sit. I'm gonna cover them and come back and taste them and add seasoning if need be. This is what the potatoes are looking like. Nice and creamy and buttery. And the ribs are in the oven. Baking at 375. These are ribs out of the oven. I like dry ribs seasoned really well. Sometimes I use barbecue sauce very lightly. I thin it out and add my own ingredients. I don't like a lot of barbecue sauce, but Sweet Baby Ray is the best I've seen so far, and that's what I use. But I'm not using it today. I just want to taste good rib taste. Really seasoned and deliciously tender. Let's plate up. So this is how it turned out. You got nice southern boiled and baked seasoned ribs, steamed buttered cabbage, and look at those cream potatoes. That it looks scrumptious and it is marvelous. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Please come again to to those quick dish soul food. We have cabbage, ribs, and cream butter potatoes. Thank you for watching.